Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Home Assistant to trigger lights by door sensor, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Home Assistant is properly set up and running on your device. Connect your door sensor to your home network according to its instructions. Open your Home Assistant dashboard in your web browser. Navigate to the configuration section in the sidebar. Select integrations to check if your door sensor is automatically detected. If it's not detected, click on the Add Integration button. Search for your specific door sensor model and follow the prompts to add it. Once added, check the Entities section for the newly created sensor entity. Take note of the entity ID assigned to your door sensor. Now, go to Automation within the Configuration section. Click on that Add Automation button. Choose a name for your automation, such as Door Sensor Trigger Lights. For the trigger type, select State. In the entity, set the From State to Closed and the To State to Open. This configuration means the automation will trigger when the door opens. Next, scroll down to the Actions section. Click on Add Action and select Call Service. In the Service field, type in light.turn_on to trigger the lights. In the Target section, specify the light entity you want to control. You can also adjust other parameters, such as brightness or color. Once everything is set up to your liking, click on Save. Test your automation by opening the door to see if the lights turn on. If adjustments are necessary, return to the Automation section to fine-tune the settings. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Home Assistant with a door sensor to trigger lights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.